Welcome to the heart of heavy engineering, where raw steel is transformed into the foundation of high-speed travel. From molten steel to millimeter perfection, every stage is a testament to human ingenuity and machine power.
The birth of a high-speed giant begins with massive slabs of industrial-grade steel, ready to be forged. Digital precision meets raw heat as plasma torches slice through 10 inches of solid steel with surgical accuracy.
Every component is shaped under thousands of tons of pressure, ensuring the foundation can withstand the rigors of the rail. Heat treatment is the secret to durability, tempering the steel to survive decades of high-speed vibration. From raw slab to hardened components, the backbone of the bogie is now ready for the next phase, the welding.
The transformation begins as robotic precision takes over, fusing hardened steel into a single, indestructible foundation.
Every spark is calculated. Every weld is monitored by AI to ensure zero defects in the structural integrity.
Every component is shaped under thousands of tons of pressure, ensuring the foundation can withstand the rigors of high-speed rail.
As you can see, the thermal expansion here is causing significant stress on the central axis. Yes, the current cooling sequence isn't sufficient for these loads.
In this metallic ballet, advanced automation achieves a level of structural integrity that exceeds human capability.
Safety and efficiency are paramount. This automated line maintains peak performance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
The digital twin is updated in real time. Every single bogie receives a comprehensive digital birth certificate before it leaves the line.
The skeleton of a high-speed icon is now complete, rigid, resilient, and ready for the precision of final machining.
Precision is the soul of speed. Here, raw steel forgings begin their transformation into perfectly balanced wheel sets. Removing excess material with micron-level accuracy ensures every wheel is perfectly balanced for stability at 350 kilometers per hour. The axles are the backbone. They undergo a multi-stage polishing process to eliminate any microscopic surface defects that could lead to fatigue.
Perfectly machined, perfectly measured. These components are now ready to be joined in a permanent, unbreakable bond. The union of wheel and axle requires no bolts, only the incredible power of an interference fit. Every newton of force is recorded. This bond must remain unbreakable for millions of kilometers of high-speed travel. Safety is non-negotiable. Ultrasonic waves search for invisible internal defects within the forged steel. With the rotating components perfected, we move to the final synthesis of the bogie.
The final synthesis begins. Thousands of individual components now converge to create a masterpiece of railway engineering. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications, with data logged directly into the quality control system.
feels tight at 0.3.
Confirmed. That's within tolerance.
Safety is built into the steel. These high-performance braking discs are engineered to withstand extreme thermal stress. The pneumatic nervous system is installed with robotic precision, ensuring flawless braking response across the entire train. Friction is the enemy. Specialized lubricants ensure smooth rotation and long-term durability of the primary pivot.
The final assembly is complete. Every component is logged, verified, and ready for the next stage of perfection.
From raw steel to a high-speed foundation, the Bogie moves now to receive its final protective coating.
Before leaving the facility, every bogie undergoes rigorous torture tests to guarantee absolute safety under extreme conditions. We simulate violent vibrations at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour to test the fatigue strength of every single weld. Digital X-ray technology allows us to see deep into the steel, searching for the smallest internal cracks or imperfections.
The dynamic balance of the wheels is controlled to the micrometer, ensuring a silent and vibration-free journey for passengers.
Every parameter is perfect. This bogie is now ready to support hundreds of tons of high-speed momentum.
Each bogie is given its own identity, a digital and physical record that tracks its performance for decades to come. Under specialized lighting, we perform one final scan. This process reveals even the most microscopic surface flaws invisible to the human eye.
Weight distribution is critical. We ensure the bogie is perfectly balanced to provide maximum stability at top speeds. The journey from raw steel to engineering perfection is complete. Ready to support the next generation of high-speed travel.
Witness the power of precision in motion.
Safety, speed, and stability built into every weld, every bolt, and every axle.
Next-Gen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.